Well, guten Morgen. We're going to do things a little bit different today. Just trying a couple of different things. Wanted to be a little experimental with you. From what I understand, you're having a little bit of trouble understanding some of the things I'm saying, especially when I'm talking in German. So we're going to do this a little bit different. I have right here the intro. Okay, you have this document. Go ahead and take a second. If you have to pause, take a second and open this document up. It says Stell dich vor at the top. And I'm going to just go ahead and read this out loud in German today. It says, Hallo, herzlich willkommen in der Deutschklasse. Ich heiße Herr Kaiser. Ich bin, wie alt bin ich? 46 Jahre alt. Ich mag Taco Bell und Batman. Ich mag Ohio State leider nicht. Heute ist Montag, 19. Oktober 2020. Dankeschön. I'll be honest, I guessed on the date. I don't think I got it right. I don't think it's the 19th. But that's okay. You get the idea. So I said this intro, right? And then down here at the bottom are questions. Questions are, wie heißt wie alt ist was mag nicht, welcher Tag ist heute, and was ist das Datum. Now, in the vocab, we've learned all of these words already, all of these sentences. Wie heißt To answer that question, you would say heißt or sie heißt and give an answer. So you heard me say, ich heiße Herr Kaiser. So you would say, heißt Herr Kaiser. Wie alt ist sie, or wie alt ist That means how old is he or she. So you would say, ist blank Jahre alt. Ist 46 Jahre alt. Was mag mag blank. Doesn't matter if you say the first thing or the second thing or both things. I said two things. You pick one. So mag Batman. Was mag nicht? Same thing. Mag Ohio State. Nicht. Welcher Tag ist heute? Heute ist Montag. And then was ist das Datum? Das Datum ist 19. Oktober 2020. So, what everybody else in the class is doing live is they are memorizing this and they're saying it to the class. You guys are kind of joining along with this too, but what I've noticed is this isn't working remote the same way it does in class. I think because you're not getting the one-on-one with me that I can give with the class. So consider this kind of my one-on-one. So what I want you to do is I want you to play, I'm going to make a second video where it's just the intro, and I want you to play that over and over and over again until you've heard it a couple times. And maybe what I'll also do is I'll model this for a couple of days so that you can hear it change. And then I'm going to have you say it, and I'm going to have you answer questions based on what I said. Okay? And I think that this will be better than what we were doing before. Here's the catch. I still want you to memorize it. Because what happens is you commit this to memory, and then it sticks, and you have a basis for speaking abilities. And you guys are going to be at a disadvantage for that because you're not in the class to do spontaneous language. So I really want you to memorize this. So I'm going to say it one more time. Hallo, herzlich willkommen in der Deutschklasse. Ich heiße Herr Kaiser. Ich bin 46 Jahre alt. Ich mag Taco Bell und Batman. Ich mag Ohio State leider nicht. Heute ist Montag, 19. Oktober 2020. I'm relatively sure that it's not the 19th, and I'm actually full disclosure, recording this on Friday. So go ahead and correct me. Tell me what day of the week it is. Or did I get it right? I'm not quite sure. I'm not going to do the math at the moment. Like I said, I'm gonna do this for the next couple of days, and I want you to read it and listen to it each day. I'm gonna change it, so I want you to listen and see what the changes are. Okay. Then on Thursday of this week, I want you to make your own video of this and send it to me like I'm doing. I need to know that you don't have this paper in front of you or behind your screen. I want to know that it's memorized. And also, one day, I want you to answer the questions that I have at the bottom based on what I told you. Okay? And then you just send me this digitally. I want to see how this goes. I think this will be better than what we're doing live. And I'm not going to have you do the intro live for the class. So you can do this while we're doing the intro in class. Does that make sense? All right. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I'll talk to you soon.